Alright guys, what's going on? It's Josh behind the YouTube page, Josh Papanu. Got myself a new car, 93 Accord Coupe EX, hands down one of my favorites. It's gonna be interesting. I'm starting something different on this page. We're gonna do like a build. I'm gonna be posting hopefully every week, maybe 2 weeks. It really depends how much time I got, how the weather is. You know how it is. Anyways, so really this is just gonna be the introduction. I've owned like four of these CBs, and then I've owned an Accord wagon, the C1. That was my first car. Anyways, it's got H22a in it with LSD, leather interior. I think it's freaking sick. Picked it up for a good deal. I had to drive 2 hours to get it, but anyways, I got big plans for it, so let's check it out. Alright, there she is. It's your basic 93 Coupe Honda Accord EX with a sunroof. Actually says on the title that it's an anniversary edition, but you know, I'm not too sure on the legitness of that. I mean, but if the title says it, I'll claim it, but it's kind of something you don't ever see as a 5-speed coupe that's anniversary edition. So starting up front, nothing really special. I mean, you got the JDM headlights, they're pretty cool. This one's all fogged up on the inside. Need to work on that. Polished them up, but didn't bring that back, so it's on the inside. Anyways, kind of sucks. Coming off to the wheels now. Alright, Integra 4 lug. Let's see if we could get some better focus on that. There we go. Integra 4 lug. Got the wagon brake conversion behind it. Slotted rotors. Pretty clean, they're powder coated. Taken care of at least. Wrapped in Pirellis. Okay. I mean, pretty clean car. Besides, I mean, honestly, there's like a scratch and dent on every panel. But it is what it is. It's a 93, you know. Good little ding right there. Leather interior, tan. Not preferably. Love black leather. Tan, I can do it, but it's not the same as my wagon. I'll tell you that. Got some chunks taken out right here. Normal. Gonna take a while to find that at the junkyard. Whatever. No floor mats, leather seats, but you gotta cover them up because they're busted. Anyways, the rear seats are good. Door cards, need to put some adhesive on it. They're kind of showing their age. See what I mean? Not a big deal. Clear coat fade on the roof. Pretty bummed about it, but what are you gonna do? Bought this as a daily. Rear defrost on this does not work. Yeah, I mean, it's not in terrible shape. Guy before me did that black back there. Kind of a cool touch. Also did this. So you got that floppy cardboard. It's actually legit. Carpeted and stuff. Some belts. Sunroof works, doesn't leak. Doubled in also. Black dash, it's a EX. Here's the real reason why I bought it. I mean, it's got form function coilovers. Alright, anyways, enough about the exterior. There we go. And then to the right of the H22a, there's a HMO stamp. You cannot see it very well, but it's there. M2B4, that's factory LSD. Also has a stage 1 clutch. Gretty header. Cat delete, 2 resonators. The piping I think is like 2 1/4. I don't know. I'm gonna change it eventually. Not really ideal, but I mean, sounds good. Sounds stock. ESP motor mounts we're looking at. All 3 corners. Stock intake manifold. Hopefully I can change that in the future. And power steering delete. Love it without it, man. Love it without it. New battery, anyways. And carbon fiber intake from the 90s straight up. That's Honda Sport. So yeah, we're looking at a pretty solid starter for this build. I have fixed some things that I didn't really document because I've had this car for a total of 14 days now. Bled the clutch because I drove it home and the engagement was at the floor. Anyways, bled the clutch. That got now it rips. Anyways, these pedals down here, clutch pedal, grab that from the junkyard. Brake pedal, grab that from the junkyard. And that's how much slack I have on that now. You should see how much slack I had before. And it was engaging right down, right about there. Got those fixed. These dials right here, they were not there when I got the car. You'd be surprised how hard those are to find at the junkyard. So I picked those up. What else did I get? Let's see, I think that's it. I was told it's tuned by Speed Factory. I don't have any dyno numbers, nothing like that, but I do have an ECU. Let's see, it's got launch control, all that good stuff. This motor's fresh. It's only got like maybe 75,000 on it. It's a fresh one, man. Got all the paperwork for it and everything. Like I said, those heater dials really messed up when I got it. It's very common for these to just bust. There you go. Yep. Alright, that was my dog right there. Anyways, so it's gonna be fun. I already got my 5 lug ready to go. I got the Odyssey spindles with new Moog lower ball joints and new new wheel bearings. Anyways, thanks Rob. So I got that set away because the lower ball joint on this thing is just kind of shot, and I figure I'm just gonna 5-lug it and then sell my stuff for it and then do RL calipers and all that jazz, just like I did on that wagon that's on this page. That wagon's mine also, by the way. So yeah, we got a good starter. Runs great. Thing rips too. So there it is. Alright, so we got a pretty solid starter on our hands. Everything mechanically fine is good. It's gonna be a great runner. Drive to work, drive back, do your thing. The only thing that sucks on it is the paint. It's not the cleanest, but I mean, I'm comparing it to the wagon, which is kind of like a slap in the face. So, anyways, now I already said that I got the 5-lug conversion going. I got the front spindles already. I got them right in front of me. If you've never seen this or heard of this before, they're right here. These are spindles. Direct bolt up. No modification, no nothing. These are off a Honda Odyssey. They're pretty fresh. They're all good to go, ready. Ball joints are good. Thanks again, Rob. Even got the dust shields. Now my wagon doesn't have the dust shields because when they shipped them, they had to take off the dust shields and put them in the bag. So hopefully I can put the dust shields on the wagon in the future, because that really sucks. Because eventually I'm gonna have nice show wheels on that car, and they're just gonna get dusty every, I don't know, 2 days. So right now I got the Acura TL wheels on them. The TL wheels that I'm talking about are just these 5-spoke. This is one of my spares. Right here, they're pretty heavy. I mean, this compared to those ITR wheels, man, whoo, big difference. Anyways, so I haven't really decided what wheels I want on that coupe. I haven't really decided anything, to be honest. It is Nighthawk Black. I did just get a flush mount for it, OEM. What else? I guess you guys just have to see. I'm really saving up to do this 5-lug swap for you guys. So, because I mean, so many people ask me how you do the 5-lug. How do you do the 5-lug? There's nothing online. There's a video that tells you how to do it. So I'll show you step by step how to do it. At least how I do it. Honestly, there's only one way to do it. Well, I mean, actually, there's other ways, different spindles and stuff, but Honda Odyssey, I'll get into it. I don't want to get into it too much, alright? And by the way, I just want to shout out Winston on this, because he's about the only other CB guy, I think, that's got a YouTube page that does some cool stuff on it. Pretty cool guy. He's a pretty cool cat. Guy's from California. So check him out if you want. Really up to you. Like I said, I don't know what's going to be the next video, but hopefully something soon. I mean, I got some ideas. It's just a money thing, you know what I mean? I'll also be posting my the green wagon, the Arcadia green wagon. I'm in the middle of that, getting going. I just need to get the head redone. Valves kind of got messed up. Slap it all together, and then I'll have an H22 in that wagon. It'll be sick. Really need to do a walk around of that because you guys have not seen it in forever. So that's that. And like I said, man, like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and guys, keep it real and stay safe. Later, dudes.